Well, for this time around, this competition was a bit different from the previous ones I did, where the prep was a bit different. But for today, the show was amazing. The setup and everything was amazing. Wasn't much competition as I had expected, but we came out, we did our best, and it was a great show.
What were you thinking coming out? That you think that you had to do well to to excite the judges.
Well, coming out, even though after seeing the listing, I realized that it wasn't much ladies. I knew that for me, I would want to come on stage to do my best. So, nonetheless, I came out, did my best. The work paid off, hard work paid off. So, it was just a great show for me.
And what next for you?
For me, next, it's just continuing, going back to the drawing board, working on my physique. Now it's time to rest because after 3 competitions, the body is tired. So, it's just to go back now with my coach for us to go over the plan and see what we can do to improve on my physique, because show after shows, you just don't want to just do shows but improve, because that's the ultimate goal, to improve on your physique and to be better than you were the last time. So my goal is to just get some rest and go back into training.